web tension. Total 8 color. Out of 8 color, the second unit cylinder need repair. So now second unit is no impression cylinder and blanket cylinder is empty. First unit no problem. UV 1, 2, 3, 3, lamp 3, lamp 4, lamp 5. And there is two double quarter magnet roll, die cutting, and this is a tier East and W, and Rex rod, servo, and WebTech camera inspection, and this is the camera inspection is here, and if there is a rejection taping system, if the all servo, machine is using the transformer for Japanese voltage. Then UV control, and this is the bay rexing. This is the dampening unit.